Oh, good job, Brayden. Good job.
Okay. Pine needles out of Declan's mouth.
Good job, Mama. What is it? Brayden. What did Grandma get you? Okay, we'll play with this in a minute.
Here goes the cat again. A sweater!
Oh, look at camouflage.
Oh, Brayden.
Oh, that's nice, Brayden.
It's like Lindsay's?
Yeah,
Oh, Lindsay does have one like that, huh?
Oh, that's going to be nice. Let's see. Let me see what the size is. Grandma knows what's going on here. Yeah, 24 months.
Oh, boy. Brayden. That will keep you nice and warm and just a nice jacket.
So you want to help me open Declan's? Daddy got this one.
Okay, yeah, keep an eye. Declan's trying to put everything in his mouth.
Yes, let's get everything in his mouth. Okay,
Brayden, can you help Declan open his present, sweetie?
That's peanut butter.
It's peanut butter.
Chocolate cookie.
A chocolate cookie?
Yeah.
Can you read that, Brayden, or did you hear Daddy say that? Okay.
Oh, wow. A jacket just like yours for Declan.
I think Grandpa has some clothes like this, too. You guys can all be triplets.
Oh, my goodness gracious.
Size.
What does Declan say? Declan says, thank you.
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa.
Oh, that's a tag.
That's a tag. Okay, all right.
Oh, it's okay. Your brother's just watching out for you.
Okay, maybe.
Okay, let's say